We will be making a red lentil soup today. Lentil soups can be made in different ways. But this recipe passed down to us from our grandmothers, so that's why it is our favorite. I am adding half a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of olive oil to a cooking pot. Then I am adding a finely chopped onion to it. I will saute it until the onion turns translucent. I am also sprinkling a pinch of salt over it, as that will make it cook faster. After that, I am adding a finely chopped clove of garlic to it. After sauteing the garlic for a minute, I am adding a tablespoon of tomato paste. That also needs a minute of frying. Now I am adding a liter of water to the pot. Now it's time to add 200 ml of rinsed red lentils to it. If you'd like to have a bit more of salt, this is the time to add that as well. I am now placing its lid on and leaving it to simmer on medium heat. It cooked in 25 minutes, so I am turning off the heat. Please do not forget to like and share our videos. Enjoy!